This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Redmi 13c has mobile data and enough battery. Tethering can drain power quickly. Once done, verify your carrier plan and APN settings so the phone can route internet. Now go to Settings, tap Connection and Sharing, then Mobile Hotspot. You will see a toggle. Turn it on to begin. This first step activates the service and exposes configuration options. Make sure Wi-Fi or Bluetooth tethering isn't conflicting before you change any hotspot settings. You now configure the hotspot so clients can connect securely and reliably. Start by naming the SSID and creating a strong password. This prevents unauthorized use and keeps data safe. Then select security type, prefer WPA3 or WPA2 if available, and choose 2. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Also set a device limit and enable battery or data saver to control consumption. Once configured, save changes so the Redmi advertises the new network. You finish by connecting a laptop or tablet. Select the SSID, enter the password, and confirm the client gets internet. Then check Settings right arrow Mobile Hotspot to view connected devices and data usage so you don't exceed limits. If a client won't load pages, first toggle mobile data on the Redmi and reconnect. If that fails, reboot the phone. As a last resort, reset network settings or check carrier APN. These steps resolve most problems and get your hotspot back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.